Phonics is a way of teaching reading. Your child will be taught two crucial things when they are learning to read using phonics. 1. How sounds are represented by written letters. For example, they'll be taught that the letter M represents an sound. 2. How sounds can be blended together to make words. For example, they will be taught that the sounds of the letters CAT, k, a, t, blend together to make the word cat. Your child will be taught to read letters or groups of letters by saying the sound or sounds they represent. For example, they will be taught that the letter L sounds like ul when we say it. Your child will then start by blending sounds together to make words. In this video, I'm going to show you how the sounds should sound. They may be a little different from how you learn them in school. For example, you may have been taught that the letter S had the sound S and the letter L was L. Now we don't use the sound at the end. This is so that the sounds can be more easily made into words. S, a, t, p, I, n, m, d, g, o, k, k, e, r, b, f, f, ul, ul.